grab your pruning cutters and cut you some branches. If you see how durable, I mean, she is really sturdy. Togetherness, a settledness about you, and it is very calming and soothing. And I could have made a dozen of these because I know what a mimosa tree is. Look it up. I guarantee you, if you are in the southern states, you have a mimosa tree. Most everybody. As I worked the grapevine, I started in the upper corner vacuum, and I am calling her Rosie. One is a lady. This Victoria preservative, it is a spray. Now this bundle together with wire, and I did not even need to show you. Once I break these off, see how I can mix a lot of wheat grass in this, and that worked great. Artificial bundle. Now this I am staging right now.